Hello everyone, this is Lauren. Today I will walk you through the steps to follow after receiving the OY7 Pro. Step 1. Power on the unit. Step 2. Open the furnace door and remove the protective foam from the heating elements. Step 3. Check inside the furnace chamber for any foreign objects and make sure the heating elements are intact with no cracks or breakage. Step 4. Insert the sintering support into the bottom of the furnace door. Then place the sintering plate. Close the door. Once everything is checked, you are ready to start using it.